Most e-com brands still rely on pop-ups to grow their email list, and it's killing their growth. So today, I'll be going over the 5 list growth tactics that you're not using, and each one can bring in thousands of new subscribers, and none of them involve doing another boring pop-up. For some quick context, email is one of the more profitable levers that you can pull in any business to generate more revenue. And the core of that revenue is the amount of subscribers you have on your list. And for most brands, list growth is a huge bottleneck for them. At Aspect, we've generated millions in email revenue for e-commerce businesses. The brands that scale the fastest all have one thing in common: creative list growth. So let's jump right in. Now, this first strategy is a bit controversial. Partner with complementary brands that are adjacent to the niche that you're in and run a collaborative giveaway to cross-pollinate your subscribers and grow together. For example, take a skincare brand and partner up with a hair care brand. Run a $1,000 total beauty makeover, or maybe increase that to $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, and then also have some second and third place winners. Create a campaign around them and promote brand collaboration. Each email submission into the list is a single entry, and boom, you have more list growth. Now, why does this work? Well, with a relevant audience overlap, it'll bring in high intent subscribers compared to just normal giveaways. Now, one thing to note with giveaways, since we are getting higher intent with cross-pollination, there is still lower intent than people visiting your website. So make sure to have some sort of follow-up flow set up to capture and continue to engage with those people. The volume is there, and now it's just the flow's job to convert those people into actual buyers. Now, moving on to the next strategy: post-purchase referral hooks. Turning existing customers into brand ambassadors, spreading the good word of your brand completely for you on autopilot. Now, this can be set up pretty easily, simply by adding rewards tiers that customers can redeem for referring new people to the newsletter and adding them into emails for post-purchase. Now, here are some examples. You can get $10 off when you refer 5 friends, or you can get a free gift if 10 friends sign up as well, and so on and so forth. The goal here is to leverage happy customers right after they buy. Now, this next strategy is for brands that consistently sell out or consistently update their product lineup. Now, if you're not already doing this, I would highly recommend setting up a VIP early access sign up for drops and restocks. Now, it's easy to set up and converts like crazy. Simply put an email sign up on the product page because people are already visiting it, so you might as well capture those people. Then you can use urgency and exclusivity to push for people to sign on, using language like join the list and get access before anyone else. And this works even better for limited inventory brands. So if you want to see that back in stock strategy that we run, I do have a breakdown, as well as all the other flows that we use here up there. Just click on the video after watching this one. Now, for the next strategy, what if I said you can have your cake and eat it too? You can collect way more data about your customers and get more emails signed up with interactive quizzes, helping you market better, learn more about each customer, and best of all, get higher subscriber rates and more revenue. Now, apps like Octane AI make it stupid easy to create simple quizzes that generate sales and subscribers on autopilot because they educate the consumer, help them determine which product is the best fit for them, and so on and so forth. Simply create a quiz with 3 to 5 questions that will help your customer with determining which products are going to be the best fit for them, and push it on the home page or in your ads. Here's some quiz examples that you can use. Or find your perfect coffee roast for a coffee brand. Create your personalized morning skincare routine for a skincare brand. Unlock the perfect shorts for your running adventures for a sports fashion brand. Now, the possibilities here are endless, especially if you have a lot of SKUs, helping them determine which specific products they should buy. Not only do they get that answer, but also you get their email sign up at the end of it. Now, last but not least, this strategy gets commonly overlooked and honestly might be the best way to nurture, educate, and even pre-sell your audience as they sign on. Now, a lot of brands we work with already have a blog on their website, and they publish there once or maybe twice a month, which is great, but it's not really doing much as far as revenue generation, and it's collecting dust for the most part. These blogs do get SEO traffic, and that traffic can convert into more subscribers by providing contextual lead magnets throughout the blog. Yes, lead magnets. Now, these don't have to be anything complicated, just simple information that your audience finds valuable, like educational guides, recipes, style lookbooks, etc. Now, for example, you can do 10 ways to style one summer collection with a fashion brand, or 10 best hiking trails in America for an outdoors brand. And better yet, for a food and beverage brand, it could be 5 recipes you can use with our product that grandma would be proud of. And all you have to do is just embed the email sign up above the fold or on the side of the blog with a relevant lead magnet, and people will come flooding in. Now granted, it won't be as quick as a pop-up because not everyone is going to visit the blog. It's just an extra step that you can take in order to get more subscribers. And when you combine all 5 of these strategies together, I'm sure you won't have a problem with getting subscribers. You'll have a bigger problem paying for that Klaviyo bill because you have so many subscribers already on there. Now I hope you learned something new. There's some slightly unconventional strategies that you can use outside of pop-ups to generate more subscribers, and better yet, make more money while doing it with email marketing. Now, if you like this video, hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe down below to get more weekly videos like this. And if you run a brand and want to turn your retention engine into a money printer, grab a free Klaviyo audit below, and I'll show you the gold that's hiding in your list. Now, YouTube also thinks you're going to love this video right here, so go ahead and check that out after this one, and I'll see you in the next one.